Google Classroom is a free web service developed by Google for schools that aims to simplify creating, distributing, and grading assignments. Hi friends, I'm Jins. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Beam with Jins, where you get boundless experience in a place. Today's video, I am going to give you 10 basic tips and tricks of Google Classroom for the beginners. And there will be 3 parts, and this is the first part on Google Classroom. Let's dive into the video. First one, create a class. Let's see the task one by one. To create a classroom, there are 3 options that either you can come from Gmail. In the Gmail, right hand corner, we can just see Google Apps. You can just go and click there and scroll down. Here is the classroom. Or just you can go to Drive. From the Drive to, you will get the same option. That is you get the same option, Google Apps. Click here, scroll down, there too, the classroom is here. Or the third option is, go to the Google search, type classroom.google.com, enter it, then you will be in the Google Classroom. So either of these options that you can select it. When you come into the Google Classroom, if you are first time in the Google Classroom, you will be able to select your role, that is teacher or a student, and later just see the plus sign, click there, and you get 2 options, that is join class and create class. So as a teacher, we select it, create class, then tick the small box and go to continue. If the students, then need to select to join the class. Create class, when the box appears, just write your class name. So let it be here demo class, and the section, then subject, then go to create. Your classroom is ready here. And second one, class setting. Once it is created, if you feel that you need to change any of the information that you are entered, go to setting, click here, and you can see the first part is class details, and you can have any of the changes here, or you can write even the class description, or change. If you need to change anything, just change it, go for saving. That is to have any edit in the class. And when you go to third one, that is select team, upload photos. So here, this is the theme you are seeing. In the theme, the top, just here, there are 2 options you can see, select theme, upload photo. So if you want to select, change this theme, select the theme. There are variety of themes, English, Math, Science. Select any of one and select class theme. So the class class theme has changed. Or if you want upload photos, second option there. And here, either you can drag from the desktop or select from your computer. So from the computer, you can select any of the pictures and hit open. Once it is uploaded, just select class. It will be changed. And the fourth one, change profile picture. So now the theme has changed. And if you want to change the profile picture, this is the profile picture. Go to menu, scroll down, go to setting, and the first option itself is change profile. So while you click for changing, it will go to, as we have seen, the previous option, the computer or drag from the desktop. Then fifth task is share class code. So once you have done these four tasks, now your classroom is ready. Now you want to do that, you want to add the student. So there are two options to add the students. One is share the class code, another one add students by the mail. Let's see the first option. Here is the class code. When you select this class code and send to the students can enter by using this class code. Or the second option is from the people. You might have seen there ahead is plus. While you click here also, you can enter the mail ID. Then can just click invite. Once the students get the invitation and they accept it, the students automatically enter into the classroom. The second one, as we told, that is the class code. Just see how the students can get in. So while you send the class code, let's see in the student side, when the students open the class, he also can see the plus sign, click it, and join class. So while joining class, it's asked to add class code, enter the class code, join it. Then student will be, see the student has already joined to the classroom. So I feel it's the easiest way for the students to get into the classroom. Then remove students. So once you have created the classroom and once you have created the classroom for your grade A or B, and if you are seeing that some other students are joined in the classroom, then you should know how to remove the student. So for removing the students, select the tab that is people, select the child whom do we want to remove it. If one of the students who is there join, click on this small box. Go to the action. Action. Then you can see that remove the student. Click here. Are you sure you want to remove this student from this class? If you want to remove, just click remove, then student will be removed from the class. Add and remove a co-teacher. As in the same way, We can add to the co-teacher too. That is, might be your leading teachers or HODs. So this is the same option from the teacher side tab. Click on invite teachers. Here there is invite teachers. So click here and inviting, type mail ID. You find enter the mail ID and invite. Once the teacher receives the email, if we accept it, he will be added as a co-teacher. And even you can remove the co-teacher if your HOD has changed, and if you want to remove the HOD from your class, just go through the three dots, click there, and here is the same option. After you have seen the students, just click, then it will be asked you, this teacher won't be able to open this class unless re-invited. That means if you once you remove the teacher will be removed from the classroom. The ninth task is post announcement. To post an announcement, you have to go to stream, and you can see here, share something with your class. Click here. Once you click, you can just enter welcome to our class or any of the announcement, or come with your post book. Something if you want, you can just type it, as well as you can add to. Here just go for adding, and any of the files if you want to add from the Google Drive link or file or YouTube, you can just add it here and make it post. Then this post is shared to all the students of this Google Classroom. Then the last task of this session is notification. Just go to the menu, click on menu, scroll down to settings, and we have seen the first one, that is a profile, and here is the notification. Once you get, if you don't want to receive any of the notifications, then you can just click email turn off. That means you never get any of the notifications. Or you have another option, is that turn on the notifications, and here there are different options that you can just turn on or turn off as you like. Once you turn off any of the notifications here, scheduled post, published or failed, that you will not be able to get it. The notifications which you have turned on, you will get as a notification to your mail, and rest of the things if you are turned off, then you will not get any of the notifications. And I feel this is a simple video for the basic for the Google Classroom for the beginners. And I hope that you might have understood these 10 tasks based on the Google Classroom. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel to all your friends. And thank you for watching. And signing out, Jins from Beam with Jins. Thank you.